Good afternoon and good evening to each of you from Amsterdam. Welcome. Thank you very much for joining us today. Analysts, investors, journalists, industry partners, and of course, Stellantis colleagues. I am grateful you are here. Today marks a big day. Stellantis' first long-term strategic plan. It has been just over a year since Stellantis was created, an extraordinary first year for all of us. No doubt that it has been the most intensive time in my 40 years career. Together with the leadership team, we successfully managed intense headwinds with record financial results. Net revenues up 14%, adjusted operating income nearly doubled year over year, net profit nearly tripled year over year, and strong synergies, execution with results above expectations. At the same time, we set the foundation of Stellantis aiming for greatness, launching more than 10 new products, which further strengthen our portfolio of 39 low-emission vehicles. I have also had the great opportunity to visit 12 countries and nearly 30 manufacturing sites, connecting with colleagues, hearing their ideas, and having meaningful exchanges about the future of Stellantis. I can testify to the extraordinary energy and enthusiasm around our company for building something truly unique. I deeply treasure the privilege I have to serve Stellantis as the CEO, fully conscious of the value that we can bring to the society in which we operate. The word "we" is very important. And one of the most important things we did in our first month together was to define our purpose, our reason for existing, the guiding light for myself and everyone else who is contributing to Stellantis' growth. As John shared, powered by our diversity, we lead the way the world moves, grounded in 4 key values, with the customer at the center of everything we do, while agility and innovation constantly move the limits of the possible, holding close our collective pledge to make a positive difference, not only for our company, but for all our people, our communities, and our planet too, and harnessing the powerful energy that comes from winning together. Setting our purpose and 4 core values was key to bringing 2 companies together, both with deep roots and highly talented individuals. We are pushing every boundary. I'm grateful to every Stellantis employee for their daily contributions to building our common community and achieving greatness. Before we get into the plan, I want to share with you, in the name of all Stellantis employees, our commitment to our collective future. Stellantis will lead the automotive industry and achieve carbon net zero by 2038, from well to wheel and throughout the entire supply chain. We know we can be part of the solution, and we are ready to do our part in protecting humans from the negative effects we are already seeing from climate change. This is our promise to society. Reaching the carbon net zero objective by 2038 is a daring challenge we are proud to lead. I'll share more later on how we'll get there. It's with this commitment in mind that I introduce to you Dare Forward 2030. Dare Forward 2030 has embarked 14 strategic task teams, gathering around 300 cross-functional team members spanning our regions, functions, and brands. The plan will take Stellantis from its first year and move us into a sustainable mobility tech company. It is our blueprint. It is about how Stellantis will engineer the future of mobility and take bold steps every day with an entrepreneurial spirit to create a new era of mobility. Dare Forward 2030 also paves the way for Stellantis' ambition to be second to none in value creation for all stakeholders. The plan focuses on how Stellantis will thrive through the decade, where the first 3 years until 2024 are our commitment, the second 3 years until 2027 are our objectives, and the remaining 3 years are our direction. Unless otherwise noted, the targets I will talk about are related to 2030. It is clear we are living in a world where freedom of mobility is at risk. And all of us at Stellantis are working every day to provide cutting-edge freedom of mobility. This plan is the start of Stellantis' greatness and our first imprint on the future. So let's dive in. Dare Forward was built to achieve 4 core targets by 2030. 1, slashing our carbon emissions in half by 2030 on the path to achieving carbon net zero in 2038. 2, setting the course for 100% BEV sales in Europe and 50% in the United States. 3, achieving number 1 position in customer experience. And 4, doubling revenue while transforming our business models and sustaining double-digit operating margin throughout the entire plan. To achieve these targets, we have organized ourselves around an holistic plan. For Jeep, it is my pleasure to unveil the first ever fully electric Jeep SUV to support its worldwide quest towards zero-emission freedom. Electrification will amplify Jeep's core brand attributes: capability, open-air freedom, fun, and style. This new model will launch during the first half of next year and is the first of a comprehensive, fully electric Jeep lineup that will cover every SUV segment by 2025. Now, let me show a glimpse of what else is to come, something we are all very proud of. Our Ram 1500 BEV is coming to the hot pickup market in 2024. According to our internal performance index, our Ram 1500 will outperform all competitors on the attributes customers care most about: range, towing, payload, charge time. Really thrilling. It's built on top of our new Stellar frame architecture, designed specifically for full-size electric vehicles. Make no doubt, we'll bring the best electric truck to the full-size segment. And Ram will continue delivering fully electrified solutions in the majority of its segments by 2025, and a full portfolio of electrified solutions for all of its segments no later than 2030. The competition is fierce, and we are ready to take on the fight for the top spot. Yes, rest assured, when we put the Ram badge on our BEV pickup truck, it will be something our customers will be proud of. This is our Dare Forward, a strategy focused on the 3 pillars, all supporting our plan to achieve carbon net zero by 2038. We strongly believe that the future of our company relies on our ability to protect the freedom of mobility with innovative, clean, safe, and affordable solutions. Stellantis will deliver on these promises and lead the way the world moves.